Have you ever wondered why regular medical checkups are important? Well, let's dive into that. Regular health visits are like routine maintenance for your body. They keep track of your health status, almost like a report card for your well-being. This tracking is crucial because it allows for the early detection of potential health issues. Imagine discovering a small leak in your roof before it becomes a torrential downpour inside your living room. That's what regular checkups do. They spot the leaks in your health and help manage them in a timely manner, preventing further complications. Moreover, regular checkups are not just about finding problems. They also provide updated immunizations, essential in protecting against various diseases. Additionally, screenings for different conditions, such as cancer, heart disease or diabetes, can be performed. So, why are regular checkups important? They provide a holistic approach to health management, offering prevention, detection, and protection. Remember, prevention is better than cure, and regular checkups are a key part of this. So, what actually happens during a medical checkup? Well, it's a journey towards better understanding and managing your health. It all begins with a friendly chat, a discussion of your medical history and lifestyle behaviors. This is your chance to share your health concerns, habits, diet, exercise routine, and any symptoms you may be experiencing. It's vital to be open and honest here, as this information shapes the rest of the checkup. Next, we move on to checking your vital signs. This includes your blood pressure, heart rate, respiration rate, and temperature. Each of these gives your healthcare provider a snapshot of your body's basic functions. Blood pressure can indicate heart health, while temperature can signal if your body is fighting off an infection. Heart and respiration rates offer insights into your cardiovascular health. After the vital signs comes the physical examination. Your doctor will check your overall physical health, inspecting everything from your eyes and ears to your skin and joints. They'll listen to your heart and lungs, and may even ask you to do some simple movements to check your muscle strength and flexibility. This part of the checkup provides a comprehensive overview of your physical well-being. And then, there are the laboratory tests. These could include a blood test, urine test, and others, depending on your age, health, and gender. A blood test can provide a wealth of information about your organ function, blood cell counts, and potential diseases. A urine test can reveal problems related to your kidneys and urinary tract. Remember, each step of the medical checkup serves a purpose. The discussion helps identify potential health risks based on your lifestyle and medical history. The vital signs check and physical examination give a real-time status of your health, and the lab tests help detect any hidden issues that might not be apparent from a physical examination. A medical checkup might seem complex, but it's a straightforward process designed to give a complete picture of your health status. So next time you're in for a checkup, remember, it's not just a visit to the doctor. It's a step towards understanding and taking control of your health. Now that you know the importance and process of a medical checkup, it's time to take action. If it's been a while since your last checkup, let's get you scheduled. Most clinics and hospitals have made it quite easy. You can call, or even better, book an appointment online in just a few clicks. Once your appointment is set, prepare for it. This includes making a list of any current medications, dietary supplements, or allergies. Your doctor will appreciate this information to provide the best care possible. Also, don't forget to jot down any health-related questions that might be lingering in your mind. Whether it's about a specific symptom you've been experiencing or a general inquiry about improving your health, your doctor is there to help. Remember, a medical checkup is not just about finding problems, it's also about maintaining your good health. So don't delay. Schedule your medical checkup today. Your health is your wealth, and it's time to invest in it wisely.